Hello students, welcome to Crack Derma with DrMSD. Myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas, your dermatology faculty. This question was asked in the Telegram channel and I thought students would mark the correct answer, but because many of them are marking wrong answer, so I just wanted to give the brief explanation in a video format. So you can see butchers are the persons who handle the meat, develops a tender purple red block. So each and every term is very important. The lesion is tender, that is it is painful. Purple red block is present on the right hand. What is the organism? So the answer for this question is option B. Very important. Option B, Erysipelothrix rhusiopathiae, which is going to cause the disease named erysipeloid. So many students marked option A and C. So let me tell you how the erysipeloid present. So this is the image where you are able to see the butchers, because of the possibility of coming in contact with Erysipelothrix rhusiopathiae from the meat. This kind of purple red blocks can develop over the hands. Okay, this is very important, and most important point is that these lesions are going to be very tender. So usually these patients are going to present to a dermatologist or any other doctor with this clinical features. So the first option, that is Mycobacterium marinum, few students thought this was the answer. Please remember, Mycobacterium marinum is going to produce swimming pool granuloma. If you remember, this was discussed in the sporotrichosis topic, because Mycobacterium marinum, which is presenting as swimming pool granuloma or fish tank granuloma, is going to present with nodulo-ulcerative lesions in a linear fashion, which is also called as sporotrichoid lesions. So nothing like that is mentioned in this question, so that is not the answer. And also the occupation is butcher, but not the person who is taking care of a swimming pool or a fish tank. The next one is option C, Bacillus anthracis. Now please remember, Bacillus anthracis, the characteristic lesion which we can see is malignant pustule, and it will look something like this. Are you able to see? So there will be initially itchy bump, or we can say papule, surrounding which redness will be there. After a day, blister can develop which can ulcerate, and this is what is called as malignant pustule. And you must remember that it is mostly painless. It is painless, but in the MCQ tenderness was mentioned. Okay, and also one more term which can be given in the MCQ is necrotic eschar. That is also not given in this question, so the answer is here going to be option B. Okay, please be careful while answering this kind of MCQs. Thank you so much. If this video was helpful, please do hit that like button and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such interesting and important videos on a daily basis. Thank you so much. Happy learning dermatology. Sarve Chera Sukhino Bhavantu. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam.